Hi everyone, Ponez here, and in this video I'm going to show you a backtest session of how I trade. I'm not profitable yet, that's why I'm recording this video so I can watch it later. If you want to watch my journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel, try to post a backtest video every day until I become consistently profitable. So let's do it. In this video, as you can see in the title, I am changing my strategy. I'm not going to do the one that I was doing before. I'm trying a new one, so let's see how it goes. If I can get good at it, then I'll try to explain what I'm doing and stuff. So yeah, for now, and I'm also going to do 1 month. This is July 2025, previous month, the last month. I'll do the whole July on Euro because I wanna do GU, XAU, Bitcoin. I'll try some other pairs as well because this strategy seems to give like maybe 1 to 3 trades per day on each pair, so it's easy to trade multiple pairs. Before, on the other strategy, I was only trading Euro and GU, only those two, and now I can trade like 4 to 5. The guy that I'm learning from, he trades like 17 pairs, so I think that's a bit too much for me. So I'll only stick to like 5, and maybe 5 or 6 for now. So yeah, and maybe I can do more than 1 day per session, so it can go a bit faster the whole month. So let's see how it goes. So for now the price is clearly bullish. So I'll try only to long for now. Let me just see. Yeah, I can't even see anything on the left of the screen, so I'm not even gonna bother looking there. I'll only try to long, and I need to see some candles through some continuations setups. If price takes this liquidity, that would be better. Maybe even this one is the best one to long. Right now, if this was a valid move, like price was from here, then it came going up like this. So this was a valid low, strong low. So this is a chalk. This is SMS, shifting market structure, change of character. Maybe you are starting a bearish direction. And right now I need to see if I want to short. I want to see price doing like this, a manipulation like I was doing before, but on M5, and I will try the pullback. So price leave this kind of a POI here, and then I wait for price to tap here, and then I long, short, I mean, for always 3R fixed. So there was one here, and also I use the line charts or just the bodies, the candle closure on the bodies, you know. This is kind of a ugly one, but this was valid, I think, but it's kind of ugly. If we look at the line, there was the manipulation, came up, came down, came down, came up, came down, manipulated, and then strong candle down. So I think this one is valid. So I can short here. The best place to short was right at the after it broke and came up. Here, like somewhere around here, was the best place. So this short was already took the TP. So trying here again is kind of risky. So I'm not going to do it. Okay, didn't work. I'll leave it marked. So maybe this is going to be the shifty market structure. No, it wasn't. It actually went up more. So the kind of a problem with chalk that we never know when chalk is going to happen, like for sure, because this was a chalk, but as you can see, price tried to go down more but ended up failing. So this was actually just a sweep of liquidity of these lows to then continue to go up. So when we have a chalk, there is always two possibilities: sweep of liquidity to keep going up and following the bigger time frame, or we are going to keep going down. In this case, since this POI actually failed because this was a area of supply, since this failed, then price is probably going to go up. So for now, I need to see a confirmation, the manipulation for me to long again. Still nothing. Maybe here. No. There was one here, but I don't know where price is. Like, it's so far away, the other price here, that I don't want to use that. And I have to look on the weekly to see that stuff. It's too far away. This one ended up working. It broke only here on this body. Yeah, kind of a weird one because it's better when press like it goes like this and then boom, already breaks, creating the POI. But in this case, it took some time. Took like 1 hour. And yeah, here there's another one. Maybe like this, came up and came down. Left this. That in this case I am shorting a bullish move, This all of this bullish. This is a nice liquidity for me to long after. Maybe price is going to take this. So let's see. how much is until here. I don't want to long from I want to target like here, so my entry should be somewhere around here. Let's try this one. Holy shit. My entry, the previous one, was actually going to get tapped in here, but then my CPU would have to be here. Let's see if it goes. Yeah. Let me just also in this type of trading, since there is not that many trades, you can trade basically the whole day. But I think I will stop here. But here was another. It took out a nice liquidity. This move was kind of like this, and then went up. Actually, I'll try this one just to see what happens. Here we are. Let's see, this one actually was going to be probably stop loss because I'm not going to use break even. Okay, this one was nice. I don't know why, but there is almost always a trade around this time, 3 to 4 p.m. my time. I don't know why. And I was very lucky here because price tapped exactly at my entry. Okay, so now I'll skip the day. Uh, 5 a.m. This was a nice trade. Ended up almost, it took us out from 2p and then started dropping again. And this can also be chalk, as we said before. And this can also be SMS, I think it was here. Yeah, this one doesn't look that great. I think it was this one because of this manipulation. There was a fake chalk here, and now it's getting another one. Maybe this time we are going to go down. Let's see if price gives another one. Yeah, there is one here, something like this. I can see this as a valid one. And here is the low. I like to place my entry at the imbalance field like I was doing before, but here there is no imbalance. I'll try to use an imbalance on M1. Like this one looks good, and then I'll do like this. trying to refine a little bit just to get at 3R at this low or close to it. The mentor says to place at break even after price reaches 2R, but I'm not gonna do it. Okay, nice. Another TP. I think here was another one I missed. Something like this. And then this was the whole POI. I usually put here on the entry, I use the body. I think this was another entry, I just missed it. But I was probably going to use like here. It's going to be a miss anyways. Here, it's only the manipulation, but price needs to break down. So this is not valid. Barely broke this low. See how the body is having a hard time. It's struggling to close below this. If I was using wicks, then this was definitely a valid setup, like this. And then here, and it broke like here. But since it only bodies, it barely broke here, so I'm not gonna use that. And also we took this liquidity. This one is actually not that great of a liquidity, because here's the whole move from here to here to here. This liquidity is breakup structure liquidity. This is a BOS. Since we are going down, this liquidity is weak, like it's not that great. When you are going down, the great liquidity is this one. For the same stuff, because this is a chalk, but this can also be sweep of liquidity to keep going down. The same stuff here. Like, I'm not going to mark all of this, I'm just going to mark the most important one, like here, and then maybe like this, and then this. So this low was nice, this one, and then price took this liquidity, and this ended up being the liquidity important one to be taken. And that's why this is the chalk in this case, the change of character. And now this breakup structure, this liquidity is not great, so price can just that is my Fibo. Price can just come to the, this is the retracement to keep going down, you know, to the 50%, I don't know, the premium area, to keep going down. So let's see what it does. It's already 1 p.m. For now, and also price didn't give anything. There is no manipulation. Here there's nothing. Now price, there is no volume, it seems. Yep, it died. Let's do one more day, and then we'll end this video. I'm taking a little while because I'm explaining a lot, but when I just do it faster, I can probably do like 3 to 4 days, maybe. Okay, so here we actually took out this liquidity. And here we made equal highs. Yeah, we made equal highs. I want to see price go down, like go down, and then recover a little bit, pull back, and then start going down again and give the manipulation and create the POI for me to short again. Now let's see. Oh, it gave here. I didn't see it. This like this. Let me see the size. Oh, this was definitely nice. I did not notice it before. I'll try to maybe price will come back up again. But if price takes this, then I will just raise it. Only manipulation. Yeah, fuck. I missed this one. But this was valid. And probably there's no more trades. Now, this is important liquidity because this was creating structure to go up. The same, like I said, this was since price was going up. This was all these lows are important when price go up. So this was the chalk, and then this is a nice liquidity. This one, they are all very close, so maybe it's all equal lows. Our trend line liquidity. Maybe price will take all of this. This is a nice pullback. We took this, gave a nice retracement, and maybe now if you create the continuation, we can short again. This was, I think, let me see. We barely broke this high. Yeah, we barely broke it, but since we are following the main move, which is down, I will try it. The stop loss is a little bit forgot the word. Let's try. I'll try, fuck it. Okay, we got in, took this. And also these trades take a very long time to get out. We are still inside this, so I don't want to see price breaking this, because if we break it, then maybe we are going to go up here. This is a demand area. There's nothing here to whole price, probably. Only this, I think. This is a nice area of demand. Oh, but let's do like this. Yeah, this was a nice area of supply. Actually, I think this is supply, right? It taps here. I think this is demand. When it's above, it's supply, right? I always confuse myself. Okay, I got a breaking. And that's it. I'll just finish this day for 5. Yeah, that's it. This kind of trading is kind of nice. Probably 1 to 2 trades per day. It's not that hard to see the stuff here. I don't know if it's also because I was trying the other stuff for so long that I can see stuff better on the charts. Let's see, we did like 3 days. Yeah, 3 days, 3 trades, 1 trade today, which is nice. Less trades per day means I can do more risk per trade. So yeah, that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.